In a world where gender norms are being questioned and challenged more than ever, expressions of individuality and self-identity are gaining recognition and acceptance. One such form of self-expression is crossdressing, which allows individuals to explore and embrace different aspects of their identity through clothing choices that may not align with societal expectations. For those venturing into the world of crossdressing for the first time, it can be an intimidating yet exhilarating experience filled with questions, doubts, but also empowerment. At its core, crossdressing is about finding comfort within one's own skin by defying mainstream definitions of femininity or masculinity. It provides an opportunity to break free from rigid stereotypes and tap into a realm where personal style reigns supreme. Whether it's donning a suit as a woman or wearing a floral dress as a man, crossdressing grants us permission to explore facets of our identities that might have been suppressed or overlooked due to social conventions. Join me on my journey through the buzzing streets of London as I embark on my very first shopping experience for crossdressing attire in search of validation and self-expression. From navigating crowded malls to carefully selecting garments that reflect my innermost desires, this adventure was equal parts exciting and nerve-wracking. Discover how this process led me not only towards embracing my truest self but also taught me valuable lessons about acceptance along the way. Are you ready? Come along as we delve into the empowering world of crossdressing fashion in bustling London. As I stepped into the bustling shopping mall in central London, a mixture of nervousness and anticipation washed over me. The vibrant atmosphere was filled with people rushing from store to store, their footsteps echoing against the polished floors. Swiftly navigating through the sea of shoppers, my heart raced with excitement as I made my way towards a world of clothing that had always felt just out of reach. The mere thought of entering these stores as someone who identifies as crossdressing was both thrilling and daunting. It was uncharted territory for me, an opportunity to explore and express a side of myself that often remained hidden behind closed doors. Amidst the lively energy and countless choices surrounding me, one thing became clear. This experience was about more than just trying on clothes. It had the potential to be an empowering journey toward self-acceptance and validation. With each step forward, I took inspiration from those brave individuals who came before me, paving their paths in fashion liberation. Within such a diverse city like London, I reminded myself that at any given moment, countless others were expressing themselves authentically through clothes across town, transgressing rigid gender norms without apology or restraint. These thoughts provided solace amidst lingering nervousness. They served as reminders that within those walls awaited acceptance rather than judgment, unity instead of division. Shopping for crossdressing attire can be an exciting yet nerve-wracking experience. As I stepped into the bustling shopping mall, I couldn't help but feel a surge of apprehension. Would people judge me? How would store employees react to my unconventional clothing choices? One of the first challenges I faced was navigating through sections designated by traditional gender norms. It felt intimidating to walk into women's clothing stores and sift through racks filled with items that society deemed not meant for me. The initial discomfort gradually transformed into a source of empowerment as I realized that there were no rules dictating what clothes should make me feel confident and comfortable. I persevered through those uncomfortable moments, reminding myself that this journey was about self-expression and embracing my authentic identity. Each step forward brought new growth and strength within me, allowing me to break free from societal expectations and find acceptance within myself. Overcoming these challenges not only expanded my wardrobe but also expanded my understanding of who I am as an individual beyond gender stereotypes. As I stepped into the bustling shopping mall, a whirlwind of emotions and excitement washed over me. This was my first time venturing out to purchase crossdressing attire, and I couldn't wait to discover my personal style. As I perused through the racks of clothes, certain pieces began to stand out and resonate with me on a deeper level. One moment that truly struck a chord was when I stumbled upon a flowing maxi dress in a vibrant floral pattern. The moment I held it up against myself in front of the mirror, something clicked. It felt like an extension of my true self. The fluidity of the fabric made me feel elegant and feminine, while the bold prints allowed for self-expression without constraint. It was a pivotal moment that made me realize just how powerful clothing can be in capturing one's essence. However, exploring personal style didn't stop at one particular item. It became an ongoing experiment that allowed me to tap into different aspects of my personality. From trying on edgy leather jackets to embracing delicate lace garments, each ensemble unveiled another layer of who I am. Through this process of trial and error, I discovered what styles felt most authentic and empowering to me, ones that embodied both comfort and confidence simultaneously. And so began my journey towards embracing not only cross-dressing but also celebrating my own unique sense of fashion. Throughout my shopping trip for cross-dressing attire in London, I was pleasantly surprised by the level of acceptance and support I encountered from both store staff and fellow shoppers. One memorable instance was when I entered a high-end boutique and approached one of the sales associates unsure of how they would react to my request for help in finding outfits that suited my style. To my relief, she greeted me with warmth and enthusiasm, assuring me that they welcomed customers of all gender expressions. Furthermore, it was heartening to witness other shoppers embracing diversity and treating everyone with kindness and respect. On several occasions, while browsing through racks of clothing or trying on different pieces in fitting rooms, people around me offered compliments or engaged in friendly conversations about fashion choices. It became clear to me that these encounters were not just superficial interaction. They represented moments where individuals recognized each other's unique expression and celebrated it together. These positive interactions played a crucial role in fostering self-confidence during this transformative experience. The encouragement received from others reminded me that there is acceptance out there if we have faith in ourselves first. It served as a gentle reminder that embracing our own authenticity ultimately invites others to do the same, creating an environment where diversity thrives without judgment or prejudice. Researching stores that cater to cross-dressers can greatly enhance your shopping experience. Look for shops or boutiques that specifically carry clothing items, accessories, and shoes designed for individuals of all gender identities. This way, you can feel comforted knowing that these establishments understand your unique needs and are prepared to assist you with any questions or requests. When venturing into the store, it's completely normal to feel a mix of excitement and nervousness. Remember, though, that shop staff are there to help you find exactly what you're looking for. If you're unsure about sizing or need advice on which styles will flatter your figure best, don't hesitate to approach them with confidence. Engaging in open and honest conversations will ensure that you walk out of the store feeling satisfied with your purchases. Some individuals may still harbor concerns about judgment from store employees due to societal prejudices or lack of understanding about cross-dressing as a form of self-expression. However, remember that more often than not, shop staff have been trained in providing exceptional customer service regardless of one's individual identity or preferences. By approaching them respectfully but confidently and clearly articulating what assistance you require, they'll likely respond positively and be eager to help make your shopping experience an enjoyable one. Overall, researching suitable stores beforehand and engaging openly with shop staff during the process enables first-time shoppers like yourself to navigate any potential challenges while maintaining a sense of empowerment throughout their transformative fashion journey. The power of fashion cannot be underestimated when it comes to self-expression and empowerment. For many individuals, cross-dressing serves as a means to break free from societal expectations, allowing them to embrace their true selves and explore different aspects of their identity. As I delved into the world of cross-dressing, I quickly realized that choosing my own unique style was a powerful tool for self-empowerment. What initially started as an exploration soon turned into a journey of self-discovery. By experimenting with various clothing styles, fabrics, colors, and accessories, I found myself gaining the confidence to fully embrace who I truly am. Each outfit became an opportunity for me to showcase my individuality and express my innermost desires without fear or hesitation. Fashion allowed me to create my own narrative, one that celebrated authenticity rather than conformity. It gave me the freedom to challenge society's norms and redefine what it means to feel beautiful in one's own skin. Whether it was slipping into a flowing dress that made me feel elegant and graceful or donning tailored suits that exuded power and strength within me, every outfit choice held immense meaning. Embarking on a journey of self-discovery and expression through cross-dressing is an empowering experience, and one of the most powerful ways to embrace your true identity is through fashion choices. As I stepped into that bustling shopping mall in London for the first time, a wave of excitement mixed with nervous anticipation washed over me. Little did I know that this adventure would not only shape my personal style but also bolster my confidence and self-acceptance. Finding clothes that align with your innermost desires can be both liberating and daunting. When faced with aisles filled with vibrant dresses, sleek blazers, and trendy heels, It's important to remember that there are no rules or limitations when it comes to expressing yourself authentically. For me personally, every item I selected was like picking out a piece of armor. Clothing became a tangible reminder of my own strength as I navigated the sometimes challenging path towards fully embracing my identity. And so, dear, whether you're just starting out or have been on this journey for years, take heart. It may feel overwhelming at times. You might encounter curious glances or doubting voices within yourself. But always remember, your truth lies in being true to yourself. Embrace it boldly as you select fabrics that make you feel confident and beautiful. Because when we dare to express who we truly are through our fashion choices, we inspire others to do the same. So go forth fearlessly into dressers full of possibility. Let your unique style light up the world.